Tired of walking into your home and feeling like you've stepped back in the past? Does that sound familiar? It's probably those outdated finishes. Whether it's in your kitchen, bathroom, or living room, certain design choices can instantly make your home feel stuck in the past. But don't you worry, because today I'm going to reveal 14 popular home finishes that are dating your space, and most importantly, what you can replace them with to bring your home back into the present. So if you're ready, let's jump right in. Popcorn ceilings. These were the heights of fashion in the 70s and 80s, but now they scream outdated. Not to mention, they can trap dust and are a nightmare to clean. Solution: a smooth or lightly textured ceiling is a timeless and modern choice that will freshen up your space instantly. Brass fixtures. If your home is filled with shiny brass faucets, doorknobs, or lighting, it's time for an upgrade. Brass was big in the 90s, but feels out of place now. Solution: switch to matte black, brushed nickel, or aged brass for a stylish and contemporary look. Granite countertops. While granite was once the go-to for kitchen countertops, it's lost its appeal. In fact, it can make a space feel dated rather than high-end. Solution: quartz countertops are sleek, modern, and much easier to maintain, and of course, much cheaper. Honey oak cabinets. These cabinets were everywhere in the 90s and early 2000s, but now they can make your kitchen look old and dark. Solution: paint your cabinet a fresh, modern color like white, gray, or navy. If you want a major upgrade, go for sleek, flat panel designs. Fox Tuscan finishes. The heavy textures, warm color palettes, and ornate details of the Fox Tuscan trend have had their moment and now feel overdone. Solutions: opt for clean lines, neutral tones, and natural materials to bring your home into the modern era. Overly ornate light fixtures. Big, bulky chandeliers with intricate details were once popular, but today they often feel too formal and dated. Solution: minimalist geometrical light fixtures with clean lines are much more on trend. Beige everything. From walls to carpet to furniture, the beige overload of the early 2000s can make a home feel drab and outdated. Solutions: modernize your space with light grays, soft whites, or even rich, bold colors like deep greens or blues. Tile countertops. Tile countertops were once considered practical, but today they look dated and are difficult to clean with all the grout lines. Solutions: a solid surface countertop like quartz or concrete gives a sleek contemporary finish. Vanities with heavy detailed or fox antiques finishes might have been luxury at one point, but now they look tired and out of place. Solution: a simple modern vanity with clean lines will update the look of any bathroom instantly. Glass block windows. Remember those chunky glass block windows that were supposed to add privacy while letting light in? They now feel more like a time capsule from the 80s and 90s. Solution: replace them with sleek, frosted glass panels or large, clear windows that offer natural light and a modern look. Wallpaper borders. Wallpaper borders were a favorite in the 90s for adding a decorative touch to the top of walls. Unfortunately, they now make a room look busy and dated. Solution: remove the borders and opt for a fresh coat of paint or full wall wallpaper in subdued modern patterns. Laminated flooring. The original laminate flooring often mimicked wood, but with a cheap plastic look, it tends to wear quickly and can make a space feel less polished. Solution: upgrade to engineered hardwood, luxury vinyl planks, or tile for more refined and long-lasting finishes. Overly decorated cabinet hardware. Fancy ornate cabinet pulls and knobs were all the rage years ago, but now they can make your kitchen or bathroom feel outdated. Solution: swap them out for sleek minimalist hardware in brushed nickel, matte black, or gold for an instant refreshment. And finally, colored bathroom fixtures. Once upon a time, colored toilets, sinks, and bathtubs were a thing. Think pink, mint green, or powdered blue. While they were fun in the mid-century era, they can now drag down your bathroom style. Solution: opt for classic white or neutral toned fixtures to create a timeless, clean look that works with any design. Modernize your home with simple updates. Updating your home doesn't always mean tearing everything out and starting afresh. Small changes like swapping out hardware, repainting walls, or upgrading light fixtures can have a big impact. Remember, the goal is to create a space that feels fresh and timeless, rather than tied to trends that have come and gone. And there you have it, 14 popular finishes that are making your home feel outdated, along with simple solutions to modernize your space. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join our community. For more home design tips and tricks, let me know in the comment section which of these finishes you're ditching first. Thanks for watching, and let's see you in the next one.